his sand.
Oh, one of those is Jeff. That blue one up front.
This orange one's really wanting it. He's eyeballing it hard.
Grim there right next to you.
Yep.
Lucius, you can still grab the kid.
That orange one looked like it wanted to eat you.
I know, he's thinking about it.
Oh, they turned around. They're turning around.
They want it. They're just trying to figure out how they want to go about it. I just don't want to be. I don't want to be seen yet by them. If they see me, they'll pull out.
Oh, here they come.
We are engaged.
Yup.
Oh, get down there, Verb!
I'm gonna get the orange. Orange is blind. Go for orange. Blue is blind. Blue's still blind. Oh, you trying to eat me. Get out of here, my man. I'm too fast for you. Yeah, look at this. They're like, nope, never mind. We messed up.
I'll let you know when I need you, Verb. You're good.
You trying to get me? Come on now.
Oh, come on, big boys! I'm not even fat!
Oh, that orange one. Oh, the orange one's separated? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Just whatever you do, don't let them get up here to me.
Orange is blind, orange is blind.
Blue one's been hit twice. Watch out, watch out, Grim.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Blue is
Grim, they have no qualms with killing you. Don't go in yet.
Oh, no, no. I'm out, I'm good.
Blue one got reflected and hit twice.
I gotta regain stam. What is this orange one doing?
Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Come here. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Where are you going? Oh, Mr. Blue Guy. I've got some speed just in case you didn't know. Watch this. I'm gonna act like I'm going for the blue. Let some of my stam build up. Wait for this orange one to turn left to me. Oh, come on. Turn back around, bud. You're good.
Orange one's trying to go back to...
Someone just watch our kid.
He's there with me.
Okay.
Come on. I'm bringing him up to you, Will.
Yep. Oh, they're too fast.
You're gonna catch me, fool. Get out of here. Oh, blue's healing over there. I'm gonna go rush blue and start biting on him.
Alright, just bite the fuck out of him.
Yep. Fight him! Fight him, Grim!
Oh, the other one saw me. The other one saw you.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the macro toes.
Blind him.
Come on, there's 3 of you. I'm out here alone.
Orange, orange, orange.
Watch out, Graham.
Orange is, he's blind, he's blind, he's blind.
I hit him once, but I didn't want to hit again because you were there.
Yeah.
Orange is Mozzie.
I gotta conserve stam.
God. I'm so ready to be able to put some fucking points into speed, Jesus.
That orange one is really extra cocky. He's playing a dangerous game on that.
Mozzie's used to playing a bigger acro.
That's why, okay. Orange one's separated, he's up top.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, they baited me once. Look at that. How did... Oh, they're into more.
Orange is blind, orange is blind. Blue's blind, blue's blind.
Hit 2 of them twice.
Brown's blind.
Above half. I'm still good. I'm above half.
I'd start pulling back just a little bit.
I got Lucia here as my backup.
That blue one got hurt up pretty good.
I'm here. I'm here.
Blue one's gonna try to heal. I'm gonna get over there to try to nibble on him. Ooh, that was...
Don't get too far. Don't get too far away from us, guys. Because, like, if a bird comes, I literally can't help your baby.
Oh, they're gonna call the Ori. They're gonna try and end the fight with the Ori.
They're gonna call the Ori, but they got size.
Jesus Christ. Run, Grim. You're good.
I know. They're trying to bite me. He's missing me, though. I'm waiting for the orange to try to rush in. He keeps making the mistake of rushing in really hard.
Yeah.
Like right now.
Orange is injured as fuck. Orange is injured as fuck
They're
too.
both blind. They're both blind. Orange and blue.
I got one.
Oh, I got my speed going. Come here, big boy.
Oh, he's done for. Get him. Get him. Good job.
Yep, got him.
Good
All
job.
right.
Heck yeah. Good plays.
He said stop.
Stop. Why would we stop?
He's the one who died. They got gore, so we can leave.
Yep. Ooh, good hustle there, y'all.
I was like slowly